Welcome back to Wall Street Confidential. I'm Alex Steele. Jim,
Yep.
It's really cold out. Tell me what this is doing for natural gas.
Okay, there is a perception, and it's being reinforced by a lot of the actually very well-run natural gas companies, including Anadarko and Chesapeake, that we're so plentiful in natural gas that no matter what happens, the supply can't go down. People should recognize that the storage of natural gas, unlike the storage of oil, is not that deep. We don't have a lot of room to store. So if we can draw down because of cold weather, we'll actually get a snapback in natural gas. All we need is a stabilization in natural gas to be able to buy a whole series of stocks that have come down greatly. Yesterday, Devon went down, and Devon had a very bad quarter. And Devon's shutting in production. Chesapeake shutting in production. Anadarko shutting in production. So if we establish a floor in natural gas and then we get actual demand. Duke Energy said today that because of the cold weather, they're seeing a lot of demand. Then what happens is we get some sort of upward move. If natural gas goes from 4 to 5, a 25% move, or 5.5, what you will have is Conoco on a breakout. And we've been buying Conoco very aggressively at the 45 level for ActionAlertsPlus.com, and will continue to do so. Why Conoco? It's the integrated with the most exposure to natural gas. It's the second largest producer after Chesapeake. Those who want the pure play, I would suggest the Chesapeake Preferred, which is a better deal than the Common. But I see natural gas trying to put in a bottom. Now, obviously, you get a week of warm weather, it changes everything.
Right.
But if natural gas can hold 4, then the companies that have very low finding costs, Conoco, Equitable Resources, and the companies that are well hedged at a much higher level and are be able to produce at 4 and sell at 10, like Anadarko, are all going to be big beneficiaries. I would be buying Conoco aggressively.
You make a good point, though. If we get warmer weather in the next couple of days, we're supposed to see weather in the 50s. So is there a trade in the next couple of days? I know Conoco's more of a long term.
I think that what you have to recognize is that all we need is natural gas to stabilize. I don't necessarily need a big demand curve. I just need it to stabilize. Remember, the two components of stabilization will be shut in, and all the natural gas companies, as they report, are talking about shutting in, and possible demand from the utility side. One or the other is going to make things stabilize. If you continue cold weather, then it actually goes up. Stabilization is reflected at a Conoco at, say, 48.50, and it's at 46.45. So you got a little upside. Any increase in natural gas takes Conoco up through 50. The stock is down 50, almost 50%.
So either way, okay. The takeaway for that: definitely buy Conoco.
Yes.
And for more of what Jim is trading, email us at action@thestreet.com for a free trial.